Everyone, hey, it's Nate with Outside Cleaners out of Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Today I'm in Brewster. I'm cleaning gutters all day. It is late November. Because, though, most of what I do throughout the year involves cleaning cedar, I couldn't help but notice the cedar siding on the house behind me. I'm making this video for the benefit of homeowners in the area who might have cedar siding similar to this. They do well to know this info. You know what these stains are? These dark, droopy stains. It's not mold or algae. Take a look under the windowsill where the nail heads holding the shingles in place are exposed. You see that? So basically what's happened here is, like a lot of homes built in the 80s and 90s, this home has its cedar siding held in place with galvanized nails. And galvanized nails are fine. That's what they had at the time, and they're continuing to function. Nothing's wrong with them, except over time, a lot of places with galvanized nails develop these rust stains where the nail heads are rusting under the shingle, but the stain is becoming visible as it spreads out along the fibers of each shingle. Galvanized nails have been replaced for the most part with stainless, which, among other things, don't leave this type of stain. So this is important to be aware of for a couple reasons. First of all, there's a lot of ways to clean cedar siding, okay? Just, like anything else, laundry, teeth, hair, hands, a lot of ways to go about cleaning it. The way that you would not want to try to wash this is by soft washing. Soft washing makes significant use of chlorine bleach. Chlorine is an oxidizer, a strong oxidizer, and will make each of these rust stains much, much worse. So that's one thing to be aware of. Secondly, it's also worth being aware that even people who are really good at what they do when it comes to cleaning cedar siding, such as myself, even for us, there's probably no guarantee that these stains will ever be removed. In fact, they haven't asked me, but if this homeowner were to ask me to clean this cedar siding, I'd probably say, save your money, because what you're probably going to end up with is cedar, which is very, very clean, but now the contrast between the rust stain and the clean cedar is going to make the rust stain even more visible and unsightly. Okay? So, yeah, that's food for thought. I hope you found that helpful and interesting.